When I turn 16, I want a big, fat, juicy piercing right in my left ear. Not those circles. One of those sticks. Industrial piercings with the bar. I want it.
I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you try to leave these arms, I'ma leave the door open.
I'm all dressed up. I'm gonna go go-karting with my cousins. We all live like kind of far away, so we don't really spend a lot of time together. I don't even know if I'm gonna vlog that much because I vlog everything. Like, I'm gonna have a lot of fun, y'all. But yeah, I just wanted to say that real quick. I'm gonna get a big fat juicy piercing in my left ear. But I'll talk to you guys later. Until then,
most embarrassing game. minute.
Nah. 275 left.
$14.50.
I got 59 on my card. Okay.
Oh, my bad.
So I'm back home now. I had a lot of fun with my cousin Leilani and Rain and my paw. Even though some people on the racetrack were a little aggressive, I had a lot of fun. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the little montages. And I really appreciate the support and the likes and the subscribes. I'm actually supposed to be doing something for the subscriptions, but it's in the works. It's something in the works. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Also, shout out to my cousin Leilani and Rain and my grandpa for being in the video. Bye.
Get up,